Hey everyone, welcome back to the Robotics series. In the last video, we talked about what robots are. Today, we're going one step deeper. We'll break down the three main components that make every robot work: mechanical, electronic, and software parts. Think of a robot like a human body. It has a skeleton and muscles. That's the mechanical system, a nervous system. That's the electronics, and a brain. That's the software controlling everything. The mechanical part is everything you can see and touch. The structure, joints, wheels, gears, or arms. It defines how the robot moves and interacts with the world. A robotic arm in a factory has metal links, joints, and motors that move just like your elbow and wrist. Now, to make that body move, we need electronics. This part includes sensors that detect things, like distance, light, or temperature, actuators, motors and servos that make movement possible, and a microcontroller, the mini-computer that connects everything. A line-following robot uses infrared sensors to see the black line, and the controller adjusts the wheels to stay on track. Finally, we need software, the code that tells the robot what to do. You can think of it as the robot's mind. This is where programming comes in. Languages like C++, Python, or Arduino code are used to control sensors, read data, and make decisions. If a robot senses an obstacle, your code can tell it to stop and turn. That's logic written in software. So, to sum it all up, a robot. Mechanical parts, body electronic parts, nerves, software, brain. All three must work together for the robot to move, sense, and think. In the next video, we'll take our first step into the hands-on world, setting up a simple Arduino robot and making it move for the first time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. See you next time.